As soon as I started learning how to cut, especially with that process, I said we need to automate this a lot more to be more efficient. Prior to that, it was more of a manual process. We had a 3-axis Triton saw that was being used. It was very time consuming. I probably researched and compared this to at least 6 other products on the market. The primary one was, cost. Then second one was having a local presence here in St. Louis. Our productivity level as far as turnaround time has increased probably by almost 3 times. We can also showcase that we're using a 5-axis CNC saw that we can, potentially mass produce if it's a commercial job. That's changed. Before, we didn't have as many commercial jobs as we do today. The return on investment is very easy to justify just with the reduction in labor and then the turnaround time and then the ability to be able to reduce some of the other costs behind the scenes. Looking back on it, the investment was well worth it. The entire team's been fantastic to work with, very responsive. If there's a part that needs to be replaced or if there's an issue, they're going to come out and make sure it's addressed.